Sunday NFL ticket cancellation. In today's video, you are going to learn how to cancel NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. So let's get started. The process is simple. Just follow these steps. First, go to the YouTube TV website in a web browser, not the application. It is recommended to use a desktop or laptop for this process, as some users have reported issues doing it on the mobile application. Here, sign in to your YouTube TV account and navigate to your account settings or membership section. Now look for an option like membership or add-ons. Once done, find the NFL Sunday Ticket add-on within your list of activate subscription. Select the option to manage the subscription or turn on off auto-renew. Follow the prompts to confirm the cancellation. The system should indicate that you have successfully turned off the automatic renewal. And that's all. That's how you will be able to cancel your NFL Sunday ticket on YouTube TV. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe.